Hello 3Commas traders, my name's Jared. Today I'll be teaching you how to enable 2FA on 3Commas to add an additional layer of security to your account. 2FA isn't used by many of our users, and this is something that should be used by all of our users. 2FA or two-factor authentication will request a code from your device in order to allow you to log in. This will make it all that much harder for hackers, phishers, or any other method of stealing users' information all that much more difficult. Without further delay, let's head on over to the 3Commas website.
Now that we're on 3Commas, we're going to go ahead and create an account. So to do this, you can continue with Google, Apple, or Facebook, or just sign up. You're going to need to verify your email address, so you're going to go to your email address and you're going to find the 6-digit code provided by 3Commas. Once you find this, you're going to copy it and you'll paste it on 3Commas. And there we are, we're now logged into 3Commas. All you got to do is click Start. You can go through the onboarding if you'd like to learn more about how 3Commas works, or you could skip it in the top right. Once we're logged in, we're going to go to the top right here and click the Settings button. Once we're on the Settings page, we're going to find the 2FA option. This will use Google Authenticator to make your account more secure. You would click the slider to enable it, and you would be welcomed with a Google Authenticator QR code. If you don't want to use the QR code, you can use the backup security key instead. If you don't have the app already, you can find it using the link in the description. You would scan this QR code on the Google Authenticator app. Once this is done, you would provide the code on the Google Authenticator app to 3Commas in order to confirm 2FA. Lastly, once it's confirmed, it'll have you re-log in order to use 2FA. You would get the code from the app again and enter it. And there we are, 2FA is now enabled on 3Commas. If you have any questions or concerns, our support team is always available and can be found on the 3Commas website. You can also find more helpful sources in the video's description. Thanks so much for watching and learning with us, and as always, happy trading!